NEET 25 kappuram, many students have texted me and asked, ma'am, should I start solving JEE level questions? எந்த சேனல் இருக்கு மேம் JEE level question solve பண்றது because I want to solve JEE level question. And many a times in many of the videos I have told, Kana the actual game changer வந்து it is going to be biology. Why so? Because நம்ம JEE analysis பார்க்கும்போதே I told you very clearly, maths paper வந்து trickyயா இருந்துச்சு, lengthyயா இருந்துச்சு and many students told that they should have concentrated more in maths. அதே மாதிரி தான் நம்ம deciding factor வந்து biology தான். Even though in NEET 2025 physics paper was difficult, many people forget the fact that biology paper also was lengthy. It took you almost 1 minute to 1.5 minutes to complete a single question. And if you see generally நம்ம biology paper எல்லாமே NCERT based questions தான். But still students have not scored 350. Many mark sheets I have seen and majority students வந்து they have not scored 350. Many have got stuck in 300. Many have got stuck in 290. Why is this happening? Because நம்ம main goal வந்து physics tough இருக்கும். So அதனால physicsல வந்து JEE level question solve பண்ணணும், இல்லனா JEE advanced level question solve பண்ணணும். And அந்த ஒரு runல நம்ம வந்து biology பத்தி we completely forget. Biology importance வந்து நம்ம long runல as a NEET teacher also I feel very bad that on a long run many students forget the value of biology. நம்ம biology strong point na, it's not just about knowing the chapters very well. If you know all the chapters of biology, that does not give you a chance that okay biology la நீங்க வந்து 360 score பண்ண முடியும். Biology la actual game என்னன்னா நம்ம NCERT every single word we should know and அந்த words வந்து in case question ஆ convert ஆச்சுனா அந்த question solve பண்றதுக்கும் ஒரு tactic இருக்கு. That tactics you have to know. So can I see even though நம்ம NEET ஓட paper, JEE ஓட paper பத்தி when we analyze, we are not trying to bring fear. Analyze is basically meaning that many students ask me, ma'am, please tell me what are the learnings that I have to learn from JEE. Because last year நம்ம அது அந்த ஒரு topic completely we ignored and the paper came very difficult. So this year many students don't want to make that mistake. Now what's the point that I'm trying to tell you? Should you solve JEE level questions? The answer is that if you solve JEE level questions for physics and chemistry and you waste majority of time for that, then you will ultimately have no time to focus on biology. So அதனால நீங்க வந்து physics and chemistry ஓட பேசிக்கான questions, not very easy question, but ஆனா கொஞ்சம் concept based, formula based question வந்து solve பண்ணினா அது போதும் கனா for physics. இப்போ வந்து second question, physics will be the rank deciding or not? See, நம்ம NEET மாதிரி ஒரு சப்ஜெக்ட்ல biology தான் கண்டிப்பா rank deciding. Why so? Because 360 marks வந்து biologyல தான். இப்போ mainly என்ன நடக்கும்னா majority students வந்து if they score 350 in biology, then definitely physics might be the rank deciding. Why so? Because main problem என்னன்னா students வந்து okay physicsல ஒரு சில students வந்து 80 marks score பண்ணி இன்னொரு student வந்து 100 if he score, there is high chance that he will have the upper hand. Now what you have to do, your goal should be that physics I am going to get 120, but I am not going to invest my entire routine based on physics, because that is not the ultimate goal. So what you have to do is you have to still make biology your main focus, because நம்ம physics paperல last year வந்து concept and formula question அதிகமா இருந்துச்சு. So இந்த ஒரு வருஷம் biologyல வந்து lengthy questions வரதுக்கு chance இருக்கு, tricky question வரதுக்கு chance இருக்கு and majority questions வந்து statement based வரதுக்கு chance இருக்கு. So என்ன பண்ணனும்னா நம்ம main focus என்னன்னா நம்ம main focus வந்து biologyல 350 plus marks தான் நம்மளோட main focus. So from today onwards, please understand, stop underestimating biology. Biology is a very important subject and நீங்க வந்து 350 in biology if you score and you score 120 in physics and rest 120 in chemistry, you can still crack government medical college if the paper is moderate to tough. Paper usually moderate to tough தான் இருக்கும், because I told you NTA does not change the pattern in 1 or 2 days. So அதனால or 1 or 2 years also. So அதனால paper வந்து it is going to be moderate to tough. So what is the final learning? Learning is that do not underestimate biology and do not only focus on understanding the concepts of biology, because that will not give you the marks. That will not give you the marks, because biology la main goal enna neenga vande after learning the chapter practice questions. Every line of NCERT if it comes as a question, you should be in a position to answer it. That is the most important. Now what should you do in biology exactly? First vandukana you have to do NCERT line by line questions, very important. Second one, you have to practice AIMS, AIP, MT level types of questions. And in the channel, I promised you that I will be giving you AIMS and AIP, MT level types of question and JIPMA questions. And our Telegram channel, every day week quiz is happening. So, adume join panni, you can practice question. Third என்னன்னா நம்ம NCERT லைன் பை லைன் ரீட் பண்ணும்போது instead of doing passive reading நீங்க வந்து active recall பண்ணணும். Active recallனா every single day நம்ம questions வந்து ask yourself இந்த paragraph read பண்ணும்போது எந்த type of questions வரலாம், why, which, what அந்த மாதிரி questions you should ask. That is called as active recalling. And after watching a one shot lecture, immediately try solving at least 20 to 30 questions of that chapter immediately. So you know that okay, in the chapter, in the concept, in the madri questions varum. So automatically you will realize and understand. Adu vandu romba important. Clear? So this is the most important thing. And if you're still not subscribed to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And on Telegram channel, I'm going to be giving you a lot of question practice. And on Feb 6th, I'm also going to give you a PYQ book at a very, very affordable price. So do not miss to join me live on 6th Feb without fail. So see you all in the next video. If you want more such video, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section.